The Bentayga EWB stands for innovation, luxury and space.
The decorative stitch on one of the main parts you can see in the car. Feel a great sense in pride knowing that you put your name to that.
At the end of the day, you know what, we've done a good day here, we've built some fantastic seats and everyone leaves happy and looks forward to the next day.
Never seen anything like an airline seat in a car before, and it's not just about comfort, it's also about your personal well-being. If you can adjust your posture in the car, it makes everyday life easier and better, and it's just unparalleled for me.
The attention to detail is something we are really truly proud of. You need to take a step back and then realise what we really do, and then you can really appreciate what we've got here. It's pretty special.
If you've been in a Bentley before, it's a completely different experience with this car. It's the first time we've done anything with the illuminated trim, so it'll be a pretty surreal, exciting thing to see it, especially at night time. It's this kind of attention to detail that elevates the Bentayga extended wheelbase to something truly special.
It's been a great project to be part of, and for it to be so new and that no one's ever seen before, yeah, it does make it pretty special.
Woodwork is my passion. Not many people get the chance to be able to do their passion as their job. So for me, doing it within Bentley is a real win-win.
This is the first time we've ever fitted the door handle actually into the wood. The interface between the wood and the handle needs to be right. It isn't until I can accept the part as it is that it's good enough to go into a Bentley.
We strive for perfection, and I am a perfectionist. When I finesse a part, I'm actually polishing it to get rid of all the imperfections and create something that's actually beautiful. The metal inlay is applied by hand. The craftsmanship behind just that one part, I think, is incredible.
When everybody's done their job right, it looks perfect. We're building an experience for the customer that is completely their own. They make it their own. It reflects their personality as much as the car's personality.
I can look at that car and think, I've helped to launch that car.
I love the fact of taking pride in my work.
Some people are born to drive, some people are born to be driven. This car's both.